Tara, are you ready for today's adventure?
Yes. Where are we going today?
Today we are visiting a shop in Diary World.
Let's go and learn something new. Who is that?
That's Mr. Ben. This shop looks nice. Wait until you meet the shopkeeper.
Excuse me, where can I find milk? Look for it yourself.
That's not very nice.
No, it isn't. Please help me. I can't reach the cookies.
I'm busy.
Excuse me, can you help me find bread?
Can't you see I'm working?
Everyone looks upset. Words are powerful, Tara.
Hello, Mr. Ben.
What do you want?
You don't seem very happy today.
I don't have time to be happy.
People just need a little kindness.
Kindness doesn't matter.
Are you sure?
Of course I am.
Let's see what happens when people hear rude words.
Look carefully, Mr. Ben.
Nobody wants to return.
Now look at this.
That looks much better. Kind words create happy places.
Everyone likes being treated with respect. Let's learn it. Excuse me. Please help me.
Please help me. Please help me. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
You're welcome.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. Wow. I think I'm learning.
Excellent. Come with me, and let's see how Mr. Ben used these words.
Excuse me, where can I find rice?
Please come with me. I'll show you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Please help me reach the cookies.
Of course.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Today I learned that polite words are powerful.
Even one kind sentence can brighten someone's day.
Good manners make every place better. Kind words can change difficult situations. Every day is a chance to learn.
And every mistake is a chance to improve.
See you in our next adventure.
Never stop turning the page.
With Tara Tales English. Stories that teach, English that stays. Bye!